My correct person there, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time where this video take reach you. It's na Favors blog. I will bring you Open Heavens devotional in Pidgin English for Thursday, will be the 26th day of September 2024. Our topic for today now, Destiny Destroyers, Part 1. And our Bible reading are from the book of Judges, chapter 16, from verse 5 go reach 18. We go read them. So Delilah go meet Samson, come tell him, abeg make you tell me wetin make you this strong like this, and wetin person fit to do if you wan tie you. Then Samson answer, if they tie me with 7 new strong rope wey not dry, I go dey weak well. So Philistine rulers bring 7 new rope, come give Delilah, make it tie am. By that time, Delilah hide some men for the other room. Then he shout, Samson, Philistine people don't come catch you. But Samson cut the rope just as thread they cut if you take fire touch am. So dem no still know the secret wey make am get power. Later, Delilah come tell Samson, see, you dey lie for me, come make me be like fool. Abeg make you tell me the truth. Na how dem fit take tie you? Samson answer am, if they tie me with new rope wey they never used before, I go weak well. So Delilah take new rope come tie am. The men dey the other room dey wait. So he come shout, Samson, Philistine people don come catch you. But he cut the rope comot for him hand, and e be like say na thread. Then Delilah tell am, you still dey lie and dey fool me. So now make you tell me how person fit tie you. Then Samson answer am, if you plait my hair into 7 parts, come use peg take make am tight, I go dey weak well. So Samson dey sleep, Delilah come plait him hair into 7 parts. Then he tight am with the peg. He come shout, Samson, Philistine people don come catch you. So Samson wake up, remove the peg, then lose the hair. Then Delilah come vex tell am, why you dey tell me say I love you and you no fit trust me, come tell me your secret? You don fool me 3 times now, and you never still tell me wetin make you this strong. Delilah continue to dey talk and complain until Samson come tire for a wahala. So he come tell am the truth at last. He say, they never cut my hair once because when they born me, they dedicate me give God as Nazarite. So if you cut my hair, my power go leave me and I go come weak just like anybody. Delilah just know say Samson don tell her the truth. So he send message go give Philistine rulers say, make una come back this last time because he don tell me the truth. So dem bring the money follow body. Our memory verse now from Proverbs chapter 6 verse 22. Proverbs 6:22. I read, but man wey dey sleep with another person wife no get sense at all, and he just dey destroy himself by himself. Make we enter the message for today, but abeg no forget to like this video and of course share am. And if you never subscribe to this channel, abeg help us hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you go dey get our messages. The devil dey always look for signs wey dey mark out people wey get great destinies. You go don notice long time ago say you no call this world to be ordinary person, and say you get great destiny wey God don already arrange for you. The devil fit sense this one too, although he no go fit understand am fully. He go come begin to dey send destiny destroyers to follow the person to make sure say that person don fulfill the glorious destiny. One of the major destiny destroyers wey the devil dey use to take destroy people destiny na illegal intimacy. For inside Genesis chapter 37, for verse 5 reach 9, the devil hear wetin Joseph talk about his destiny. He come mark am for destruction. He tried to get his brothers to kill am, but they sell am at the end of the day into slavery. The devil think say Joseph no go fit fulfill his destinies for slavery, but when he see how he come begin to dey prosper inside Potiphar house, even as slave, he know say the only way when he go fit take stop this man na to tempt am with illicit intimacy. So he come send Potiphar wife to go seduce am. Genesis chapter 39 from 11 go reach 12. Thank God say Joseph no fall for the temptation, because na that one for be the end of his big dreams and the glorious destiny wey God don give am. Every time when you dey tempted to engage for illicit intimacy, make you know say na the devil dey try to destroy your destiny. Your response to the temptation go determine whether you go fulfill your destiny or not. No matter how person destiny dey great, if you give room to fornication or adultery, e go destroy that person, because Bible talk inside 1 Corinthians chapter 3 from verse 16 go reach 17 say, our body na God temple, and if anybody defile God temple, that person God go destroy am. Samson dey really great and powerful, so tey only him defeat entire army. However, as he get power reach, na on top of woman lap wey he never marry, na he take meet him defeat. Before long, he start to dey grind corn for him enemies. We go see this one for inside Judges chapter 16 verse 21. If you find out say e get how your body dey do you towards people of opposite sex, then you need to run go meet God for mercy, fast and pray, so that those desires go die. This way, you go strengthen yourself enough to take avoid the temptation, and so that you no go fall inside the temptation, and all those illicit desires dem, they go poof comot for your life. Beloved, may you guard yourself against the devil temptation to engage inside sexual immorality. No allow am make you destroy your destiny with your own hand. James chapter 4 verse 7 talk say, resist the devil and he go fly comot for your side. Our key point for today message be say, fly from sexual immorality, because na destiny destroyer. Na here we take come to the end of today's message. No forget say the topic wey we consider today na destiny destroyers part 1. And the message we take am from inside the Open Heavens Daily Devotional, wey be book wey be say Pastor E.A. Adeboye, the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God Worldwide, write. And na from this your darling channel, Favours Blog, na you for take receive the message today. We wan thank all our subscribers. Abeg, not just the watch, make sure say you subscribe, like this video and share the video. Don't forget to drop your comment to anything wey you like make we discuss. Put am for the comment section. The pastorate and the entire members of Sanctuary of God's Love Mission, aka Champions Chapel, they invite you to the Jubilee Life Celebration 2024. The team. Thank you when you just stay with us to the very end of this video. The date now from Monday, don't forget to like, Sunday, share, and subscribe to this channel. 2024. Until we come your way again with another exciting 8 a.m. video on Sunday. Make you not forget. The venue that the Church Auditorium 46 Ojubu Street off Giwamu Road, Warri, Delta State. Reverend Dr. and Pastor Mrs. Hope Eze and other anointed ministers of God don dey tanda to bless your life with God's word. So if you dey around Warri and the environs, or even outside or within Delta State, find your way, go to the Church Auditorium for 46 Ojubu Street off Giwamu Road, Warri, Delta State. We wan thank you when you take follow this video reach the very end. My correct person, till we meet again, make it better for you.